Today, I'll be showing you how to install our short shifter kit for these sports sedans. So when you get our kit, it should come with obviously part that makes it the short shifter with some Loctite, instructions for that, and then also our shifter mount kit. You can buy this mount kit separately, but if you buy this, it comes with this. So I just recommend picking up this and getting it all together. And the tools I'm going to be using are a small 8mm socket, a 13mm, and then a flat blade screwdriver, and then a T25 Torx bit. I'm just gonna slide this seat all the way back because we're gonna need access to a certain screw right there. Mine does not have a cover on it. Just to pop down from under there and slide towards the rear. This should be the 13mm. 4. And that brace should come out. Oh yeah. This is where your long extension 10mm comes in. You can remove these bolts under this vent right there. So it's easier to start with the front left one up here. And I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna go under here. I had to get a smaller extension to reach it, but I was able to get on it and undo it because it's right by this plastic adjustment cable connector. So from underneath, just like the rubber ones were, just like that. We'll do that to all the corners. And if you're doing the short shifter, you're gonna need a T20 to get these 4 screws off. There's 1, 2, 3, and then another one back on the other side over there. And so let's do that. All right, after you do the 4 screws, this should pop out of that metal bracket right there. This should lift up, and you should be able to get a bigger flat blade and pop this ball out from that black thing down in there. So it should just come out like this. Once you get it out, we're gonna cut right here, right where it starts to angle. So I'm just gonna give that a cut. I got an angle grinder I'm gonna use for this. I'm not gonna show it because it's gonna be a little tricky. So here's my cut. Not the cleanest, but we'll go ahead and file this off so it'll fit smoothly in our new part. Once you get it shaved down, you should be able to slide this on, and then we'll use our set screws. You're gonna put just the slightest bit amount of this Loctite on there. We sent it with all the kits. You'll need a very small Allen key to put those in and just make them tight. Now that we got our new shifter modified, it goes straight into that hole down there, into that thing. All right, after you got everything in, test your gears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, that feels so much better already, I can tell you that. I think the thing that I like about it most personally is it's so crisp. So crisp. It's so nice. This thing is phenomenal. Also pick up the shift knobs from us as well. This is a Ghost one, but we have them in stainless steel and aluminum. And yeah, definitely recommend. Like